You ready, guys?
Ready.
A bit of noise here. Come on.
Yeah.
Right.
Get Rick's on your how to make boys.
Right.
I mean, it's definitely a girl, but it doesn't look like she wants to come out. I mean, it looks like she
I
wants
saw.
Congratulations, brother, man.
Thank you, brother. Finally, the wait is over. I can breathe a bit.
So you knew it was going to be a girl, right?
I did, but you still have that. I don't know. You still have that feeling. You never know. So I'm glad. I'm quite surprised.
Your next birthday, I'm going to buy you a shotgun because I think every father of a girl has to have a shotgun. I think it's just one of those things.
I need a shotgun, bro, and a bazooka, please.
Yeah, you know what I need? I need a drink because look at Fantom. Look at Fantom. Fantom's about to break $3.
$3, buddy.
And
how's that portfolio looking? Because that's our biggest holding.
Our portfolio is on 88,000. Let me show you. So our portfolio is on 88,000. We started last week on 72.
I think it was. Yeah.
72,000. 72,000. We're on 88,000. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon with this portfolio. All right, so we've got a big show today. We're going to be talking about the Bitcoin dominance. We're going to be talking about Fantom. We're going to be talking about how many other opportunities?
Total three on the verge of a breakout. What does that mean?
Old season. So big show today. Let's get going. Yo, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I'm Crypto Man Run. That is my sidekick, Sheldon, the sniper.
Yo.
Together, we bring you 2 shows every day, increasing to 4 shows every day. And then we've got a very special surprise for you guys because Sheldino Tentino is also introducing his new, Fred, this is the part where you play the video. So let's try that again. Sheldino Tentino is introducing his new...
Fun. Finally.
Sheldino Tentino is launching his masterclasses, which is like 15 minutes of masterclass wisdom every single day. And we now also have a launch date for Sniper School, which is going to be coming to you somewhere around January. We'll let you know the date later on today. So it's a massive week. Let's look at the markets. Let's look at the charts. But actually, before we do that, remember, if you're new to our channel, subscribe to the channel. Smash the likes. Let everybody know here. When we get to 5,000 likes, I'm going to give away giveaways today. I have lots of giveaways in my thing here, in my giveaway pocket. I'm going to give away Duellist, which is it's having an IFO on PancakeSwap, and I'm giving away 43 times $1,000, 1,000 BitDAO tokens. So it's 43 times 1,000 BitDAO tokens, which means it's $2,200 dollars per person. So if you haven't registered for Bybit, go to Bybit. It's in the description link below. Just go deposit money, don't trade, don't leverage, don't do anything stupid, and then you can stand a chance to win. Also, later on today, even though I am in South Africa, later on today, I will be coming to you live from Slovenia. Yeah, you'll see. I'm going to be coming to you live from Slovenia. Yeah. I am.
Since when?
Well, I'm in South Africa now, and if I take my NordVPN, and then I just grab the deal, which is only available for like 9 hours left of this deal, and I take the 2-year plan, I pay $3.18 per month, then I can decide where I want to be in the world. I can just come to you from wherever I want. And you can't tell me different. And the exchanges, the exchanges also can't tell differently, and people that do IDO allocations also can't tell differently. And hackers also don't know where I'm going to be, and authorities don't know where I'm going to be. They all think I'm in Slovenia. So later on, I'm coming to you from Slovenia. I'll show you. I'm going to come to you live from Slovenia. Now, you can also come live from Slovenia if you want. It costs you $3.18 per month, and you can come to us live from Slovenia. True story. All right, let's talk charts. There's a lot going on. It's alt season. Everything's running fast. We had Bitcoin pulling back, and we had dominance going up. Exactly.
Yeah, which is great. Exactly. So, you know what's finally fantastic about it is now we've got the reverse where it's back in the alt's favor. If there's any pullbacks, we are having the dominance go up. So the alts do, obviously have the bigger pullbacks when we're having a pullback in the market. But then obviously when we have the growth time, when Bitcoin starts to go up, we then have the alts really starting to perform. And we can see, some of them are performing the same as Bitcoin today, but a lot of the alts now are starting to really get strong legs to the upward side. And I think the main thing that was quite important with Bitcoin was the lower low is still not set in for Bitcoin just yet. So, since we've started this little rally up since the 42K region, we've just been making higher lows. And we continue to make the higher lows at this point. We haven't made any lower lows just yet. We do have, so this is where the little tricky thing comes in sometimes with a trend line. Let's just get it in here, is if we do sort of look, that's the current trend I'm looking at now for Bitcoin. And if we did have a sort of sharper trend, you would have seen that maybe on a very, let's just get it over here, on a very sharp trend sort of view, we could say, okay, we started to maybe lose some sort of trend, right? And what I start to do is, as soon as we start losing trends, I start identifying the next ones. And the main concern is there's no concern of a break of trend like this unless a lower low was put into place after that. And we saw that with the dominance a week ago, where dominance broke trend. It didn't make the lower low, and it broke straight back into trend and continued the momentum. So right now, it's quite simple.
I don't really care. I don't care if Bitcoin stays in this uptrend. That's actually best case scenario. I actually only care about two other charts.
And what does Plan B say? What does Plan B say? We are 5 days away, and he's saying more or less a 63K close, right? In that sort of region. I'll be blown away once again. If it stays in that sort of range, but it's sort of giving us a picture Bitcoin sideways for the week. You know what I mean? Bitcoin to hover between 60K, 65K.
Not really.
Dominance in check.
What does he say? What he says is he doesn't say. He said the minimum is 63. He doesn't say that it's going to end the month on 63. He says it's the minimum is 63, which it's already touched. So I think it's going to be above 63.
Okay, cool. Well, for now this week, all we're going to do is just be tracking this trend for now, and we'll see as we move. And what's nice about that now is we take it in. I think I actually still have my drawings from dominance from Friday. Oh, literally still the same drawings from Friday. Lower low in play. Well, we basically double bottom at the bottom. So this is a very good sign for inverse head and shoulders reversal. And that's why we're having Bitcoin run a little bit today, and the alt's running with it, but not a massive difference at the moment. And that's because we have the main top head, we have the right shoulder, and then we're looking at the continuation down. So what we're still planning with dominance right now is working great. We did get that little breakout of trend. So even if Bitcoin slowly makes its way up today, which is good, guys, because it was getting to that 60K, I saw they kept bouncing on 60K. And I'm glad that we got a bounce on 60K.
Has Sheldon frozen? Yes. Frozen in his pants. Okay, while Sheldon is frozen, this is the tweet from Plan B that we were talking about. And it says, I think Sheldon is back. It says, there is a fundamental reason that we see weakness in June and possibly July. My worst case scenario is that the minimum price in August is 47, the minimum price of September is 43, the minimum price of October is 63. So it doesn't say it's going to be the maximum. It's going to say
and then look at next month. Do you see how that acceleration starts? All of a sudden 98, 135. And that's what I'm going to get to now. The total showing us the same thing. So, you know, Bitcoin was getting to a critical level. We wanted to hold 60. We didn't want to go too far down, especially with the time left of this month. We want to close above 60 this month. And that's why a little push from dominance. And at least we know we're playing on a reversal trend. And I am looking at that next really big drop. And that comes when this bad boy, which is getting right there, total 3, this is where the really exciting things comes. There we're making the higher high right now. And we are currently sitting at this point on the region of 7% away from all-time high on total 3. Now, this is when the absolute whole alt market just goes crazy berserk. So that's sitting at $1 trillion exact. So the break of $1 trillion for the total 3 is when we're going to get a super massive explosion. And we're going to get obviously these huge 20, 30%, 40, 50% moves from these alts in weeks. You know, we're planning this Q4 to be quick. And we're planning this next leg to be really, really quick. So we're at the verge, and remember, I am looking at total 3 making its way to $4 trillion on this next move up. And the real excitement comes on the simple break of a cup and handle. Look at that. Cup and handle, beautiful pattern, very simple, very easy. And history is repeating itself again. So everything's good. What happens first, guys? Total, Bitcoin, break all-time high, total breaks. What happens next? Total 2. Breaks. What happens after that? Total 3. So we are getting into the right coins. We're entering the market at the right time. And we're obviously protecting ourselves with that. So I got some calls.
We care about 4 charts. So we care about Bitcoin. And actually, the only thing we care about Bitcoin is that it doesn't break downwards. We care about the Bitcoin dominance.
Exactly. And the only thing that will ever shift the Bitcoin dominance is a massive move in Bitcoin. So we want Bitcoin to just chill. So we're not really caring about Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin right now.
Is this a lower low? On dominance, was this a lower low?
Yes, buddy.
Okay, so there was a lower low.
That's what we want.
We want strong
exactly
Bitcoin.
What we want.
We want weak dominance. And then
so if you go to the left side of your chart there, Ran, on that same chart there, do you see how we had, where is it? July, just after July, you had that low, then you had a higher low. And then all of a sudden, so they're higher low, then all of a sudden a lower low. What happened after that?
All the way down.
You see. So a lower low is just a reversal sign. Okay,
so just quickly to summarize it for the people who are slow like me, we were looking at the Bitcoin chart. We want Bitcoin to remain, remain where it is, continue to go up. We want the dominance.
No lower lows, yeah.
We want dominance to continue with the lower lows. Then we want to wait for the cup and handle to play out on total 2. And then we're going to wait for the cup and handle to play out on the degen chart, which is total 3.
Exactly. So those are the next ones. That's when we're going to get a massive total explosion and everything's just going to go berserk. So that's it. That's it for the week. Guys, we are literally, you know the thing is, when I joined you guys this year, we were already halfway through the first leg. I didn't get the chance to be here with you from the beginning of a bull cycle leg. Now we're from the start. Now we can play some ball. Now we can kick ass. Okay, now let's get into some calls.
Let's get into your RUNE call from last week, because that was one of your best calls of all time.
Yeah, it's absolutely mooned. So it's nearly at my short-term views. Remember what I was looking at? So what I'm doing is with CoinPanel, I'm giving you some short-term views so you can free up a little bit of cash now and then I give you the main big view for those who want to hold RUNE for Q4 and where we're looking at. Where's my RUNE chart? There we go. This is still one of my favorite ones of the bull cycle. $100 to $160 for RUNE.
I'm holding.
So for those in, hold strong. You know what I mean? We're fantastic. What's nice about RUNE is because it flexes so big, even if you took a little bit of profits along the journey, like let's say that small 20% I put on CoinPanel, when we get the pullback, we can always be buying back on confirmation. You know what I mean? It's literally as we start moving. So RUNE, fantastic. Hold strong. You're going to make tons of money with RUNE.
Later on in the show, I'm going to actually show you why you're going to make, from a fundamental reason, why you're going to make so much money on RUNE. So later on in the show, I'm going to show you how to make 3 times your money today. Literally, if you do what I tell you to do today, you're going to make 3 times your money for sure, guaranteed. This is financial advice. All calls that we make on the show are guaranteed to go up. Okay. Am I allowed to say that? I don't think I'm allowed
We're
to say
confident. We're confident. And we're giving you a stop loss. So it's
Remember,
okay.
this is a podcast for entertainment purposes only. All opinions expressed by the host and the guests. You see, that's it. The disclaimer. See, it's all on the bottom. The other thing is, so RUNE, explosion. Take me to Fantom, because I know you're going to tell me don't buy Fantom because it's run. But I'm telling you that I think there's still legs in this thing.
No, I don't think yet, right? We'll get it on a pullback, buddy. We'll get it on a nice pullback. I wouldn't be buying it now. Everyone's in. They should be in. We should be tons of people that are in.
Pullback on Fantom this week. Fantom is going up this week.
Not this week, but maybe in the next, for me now, after this chart, here's our big channel in this chart, and I'm still seeing a $12 to a $20.
Fred, what do you think?
I think
I can't buy it right now. I'm holding. We'll be patient for them. I'd rather be buying another one. I'll come back.
We need to fulfill the prophecy. I think Harry's yet to be wrong, and he called $10 end of the month. I've seen wilder things happen in crypto, so let's see what happens.
Jimmy, what do you think? About? Fantastic.
He's not concentrating. Jimmy's not concentrating, bro.
Must buy him another 10 there, Rand.
You wouldn't buy Fantom right now.
Not yet. I'll work on entries. I promise this week I'll get you some entries on Fantom. Just right now, you know what I mean? What it's done in the last 2-3 days.
Guys, if you're holding Fantom, hold on to Fantom tight. That's all I'm saying. Just hold on.
Sell at $12 to $20. That's what I'll sell Fantom.
Hold on tight.
The rest we'll get a buy. We'll get a buy. I promise we'll get a buy, guys. But for now, I can't force it right now. Okay. What we're looking at. Last calls for me for Cardano. This is great. This is looking good. And I am seeing, obviously, Cardano, when I was looking at the shorter term view, remember, CoinPanel, guys, remember, I'm giving you all the entries here, and I'm giving you your stop losses here, and I'm giving you the short-term views here, and then I'm zooming out here to trading view, and I'm showing you where I'm seeing Cardano make it to the end of the cycle, and I'm seeing an $8 to a $14 Cardano at the end of this cycle.
So let me give you some fundamental info about that. So we had Cardano launch smart contracts. Has anybody actually seen any real project launch on Cardano yet? No, there's not even a fucking DEX. Like there isn't even, you want to trade a DEX on Cardano, it doesn't even exist, okay? So what's happening now in the background, behind the scenes, is that everybody is building with these new smart contracts, and everybody's getting their smart contracts audited. And then you're going to see a DEX launch. You're going to see like one DEX. Maybe it's Sunday Swap. Maybe it's ADA Swap. You're going to see a proper DEX launch. Then you're going to see a second DEX launch. Then you're going to see DeFi launching. Then after you've got DeFi launching, you're going to see all these amazing applications launching. But that's going to take time because you need to get the smart contracts actually audited, right? So November is not going to be Cardano month. December is the beginning of Cardano month. January. Oh, if you're in Cardano in January, then you should cancel all your plans. And you should just make a plan to just sit and watch the Cardano chart on the screen. What I recommend you do in January, if you're a Cardano holder, you should get a projector in your room that projects the chart.
You'll never sleep.
When you're sleeping, you can just open one eye, you can check the Cardano chart, and you can just go back to sleep like that. You should get that. I have that installed in my room. It's fantastic. It's fantastic.
You'll never sleep. You'll never sleep.
That way you don't have to switch on your phone to see what's going on in the market. You just lie back and you open one eye like this, and then you look up and you can see, and then you can just go straight back to sleep.
Amazing. So Cardano, so what that means then, man, it means, Cardano is still 50-60% away from all-time high, which means it can slowly, gradually in the next month make its way there. And when the time comes of December to January,
yes,
pop. But at least you've bought it at $2 and you're not buying it at $4. So you want to add to your positions. It looks great.
If you have this projector above your bed, send us pictures so we can see it, so we can show everybody. Everybody should get a projector above their bed. It's important.
You won't sleep. No, I can't do that. I will never sleep. Last calls for me, and so last time I'm going to be probably speaking about it this week before it's gone, and we're going to lose entries, is Chainlink. There's your stop loss, buying $29 to $31. We are on point here. Chainlink's looking fantastic as well. Next ones I'm looking at here. I saw the ZIL trade. You guys should be 12% up on ZIL from the weekend. Theta, you should be at least, it's not as much, but 7-8% up on Theta. TFUEL, I still feel is a really good one to be getting in. Next exciting one, right? And we've been waiting slowly, and the cup and handle's playing out on MATIC. Beautiful breakouts, buying up there, putting stop loss in place. And if I have a look at MATIC on where we're looking at on the bigger views, I'm seeing MATIC make its way between $8 and $12 the end of this bull cycle.
You know what, Sheldon? I've got a good idea. I know that you've got 2 or 3 more calls, right? After this.
Okay.
I think only the people that are on CoinPanel should get it. What do you say, Fred? That's actually Fred's idea.
Agreed.
Fred says, just leave them for the people who are on CoinPanel. they'll get the calls. I do want to talk to you about Nahmii, N-I-I, because I think it's time for another pump on Nahmii. Hasn't pumped yet. I think it's going to start pumping.
So I'm going to show it over here. On CoinPanel gives the entries and the stop losses and everything. VET, last call. That's the last one I want to add to there. What do you want to look at? Nahmii.
Nahmii, N-I-I. While you're looking at N-I-I, do we make any changes to our portfolio? Because we're doing good. We're doing fantastic. So
let's have a look there quickly.
Fantom, we don't touch.
Yeah, Fantom, we don't touch. Dot, we don't touch.
We don't touch.
We're waiting. Cardano is great. They're all good. And we got VET. I'm happy.
Yes.
I'm happy, Ran. I'm happy we'll look in another day or two.
You know what I do want to do? I want to short. I did open my own personal short on Shiba last night. Shiba at 0.42. I opened it on FTX. Made a lot of money. I made a lot of money on that. But I'm holding it. I'm holding. I'm chilling, guys. I'm chilling. My short position is open.
Someone's saying sell dot, dude. You can't sell dot now a week before. What do you think? The first week of November? You can't. I think it's literally it's right by all-time high. So dot, I think is really still going to move.
I've got another one that I think is going to move, and I know you're going to laugh at me, but I actually do think it's going to move.
Yeah.
So BCH. So everybody
Bitcoin Cash.
Everyone here is signed. Everyone here is signed.
No, it actually was. It was actually probably one of the best trades before the May crash, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, and it hasn't run yet. It's just been an accumulation, and it's been accumulation, and it's been accumulation, and it's been accumulation, and it's been accumulation.
Yeah, Ran. There's a few, yeah. Here's an old age home in Elands Valley. There's another few more. There's a few, buddy. I'll send you all the details.
Okay, Nahmii, is it time to buy?
Oh no, Nahmii is not just yet. No.
Not yet.
We'll get it a little bit cheaper. No.
Okay, Donkey. I told you guys on Friday about Donkey. What happened? Donkey went to the fucking moon.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Told you, Donkey Moon. Market cap of $10 million. People are making a joke.
It's looking good. Oh, really? Yeah. Then you can start dollar costing. That's good. We're on the verge of a cup and handle breakouts. If we have a look here, see here, it break of trend.
Okay, beautiful. I had some really good ones. Where are they? Oof. I've got 2 for later, but they're not ready yet. I'm still boiling them, and they're not ready yet. I have 2 for later. What else?
One more on a more safer view. File storage looks good to me. It looks really good. I was looking at it on the big channel, Filecoin. Yeah, Filecoin. Looking good. I'm seeing a couple $100 there and GRT. So those are looking good.
Do me a favor. Go to SFI.
Is it on here?
Yeah, I mean, it's so cheap. This is like basically guaranteed to go up. Fred, every time I said guaranteed, just press that disclaimer thing shit. It's guaranteed to go up when I say SFI.
Saffron.Finance.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Yeah, you see.
There's still my block from previous. It's looking good. So if I have a look here, trend-wise, draw your trend in play. There's my trend in play.
You don't sound excited about it.
We're on support right now. I'd wait for this, Ran. I'd wait for that. The break of trend. So if you add a little bit, you're buying on support now. So I'd buy 20% of what I want to buy now. And then I'll buy the remaining on the break of trend. Okay,
fine. I'll take that. I have spoken enough about Alien Worlds on the show. I can't talk about it anymore. You don't buy it, your own problem. Okay, Fred says it's the end of our time together.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, GRT, the entries are on CoinPanel, and that GRT, I'm looking at a 10x. So have a look, don't miss out.
Okay, guys, if you don't have CoinPanel, then go down to the bottom of the description link and subscribe to CoinPanel, because that's where Sheldon updates his calls every single day, before the show, after the show, trading show. It costs $30 a month. After the free trial, it costs $30 a month. If you don't like it, we give you your money back. You just write a mail. You say, Ryan, I don't like this. I paid $30. It didn't help me. I'll give you back your money. I'll send you USDC. No, I can't send USDC. It's too expensive. The costs are too high. I'll send you Solana money. It's cheap money. Alrighty.
What's happening with the Shiba thing, right? How big is this thing gonna go?
Shiba, I'm shorting. I mean, you can't buy God. There is something there. But I mean, hold on. Does this look like the right picture to you? Let me show you something. I'm going to show you something, and you tell me, does it actually look like the right picture? Does it make sense to you that Shiba-Inu is bigger than Terra?
Oh, wow. Wow. Stupid money's back in the market. Retail is back.
Yeah. Shiba-Inu is bigger than Terra. Shiba-Inu.
The last one I do want to add, sorry, as a small, is WEYU. I really think WEYU is going to do well, eh?
I think it's it's good, but I think there's better coins now. I mean, I do like it, but there's just much better coins now where you can make life-changing money. And today, I've got such a nice show for you guys later. Show you guys how to take your current money, make money on your current money, and then still 3x it.
Someone said they made 10x on Shibu. Fantastic. Now take that money and go 10x it again on a good coin.
Yeah.
Then you've done well. But if you don't sell Shibu, it's going to come back down. Take your profits.
Short the shit out of Shibu.
I'm
actually so passionate about shorting Shibu that I'm going to actually short more Shibu right now. Although I just need to get my 2FA without these people actually seeing it. Actually, I'll do it after the show because we're running out of time. I'm going to short the shit out of Shibu.
Have a fantastic day, guys. Have a fantastic
Have a beautiful day. Wait. Sheldino, we got you a car, bro.
What car you give me?
We got you a car.
A car?
That's the Banter Lamborghini in Wilder World. Wilder World is a metaverse. That's the NFT of the Lamborghini. There's another picture of it, much better actually.
When can...
So we are going to be giving away. We're going to be giving away the NFT of this car to one of our lucky community members, right? And they can drive it around in
I'm
Wilder
flying
World.
back to Cape Town now. I'm going to come fetch the keys. All right.
All right, guys. We will see you guys again later. Oh, we're supposed to do giveaways. We'll do giveaways in the later show. Double the giveaways. Promise. We'll do double the giveaways in the later show.
Love you all. Have a great
Love
day.
you all. What time are you back, bro?
Tonight, 5 o'clock.
Alrighty.
5 o'clock. I'm going for vaccine.
Are you gonna get vaccinated?
Yeah, I'm gonna go put my tracking device in, and then I'll be there.
You should save your sperm. You should wait, but no jokes. When are you going to get vaccinated?
Like literally in an hour.
What you should do is you should go get a cup from the kitchen. You should save your sperm. Apparently, unvaccinated sperm is selling for a lot of money.